Okay, morning students. So today I am again with the next video. So hope you understood the study video, that is study class. You understood the things. Once again revise what we have discussed yesterday. That was we learned about the different terms related to simple machine, that is load, effort distance, fulcrum, and also we discussed about the principle of simple machine. And in the beginning we have also discussed about the types of simple machine. There are 6 types of simple machine, that is lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, wedge and screw. So today we'll discuss in detail about this type of simple machine. So starting from the lever. Okay, shortly in the study class also we have discussed about the lever. So what is lever? Again I'll revise that. What is lever? Lever is the straight rod which moves up and down with a fixed point, that is called fulcrum. Now that may be of anything, wood, plastic, metal, anything, but that should be almost straight, and when the fulcrum is below that it can move up and down. So that is called lever. Next today we'll discuss about the types of lever. Lever, they are classified into 3 types, that is first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. So there are 3 types of lever: first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. So first class lever, as you can see in the diagram, first class lever, in the first class lever fulcrum is in between. Okay, there are 3 classes of lever: first class lever, second class lever, third class lever. In first class lever what happens? Fulcrum is in between. Okay, fulcrum lies in between. In second class lever load lies in between. In third class lever effort or force, okay, effort and force, don't be confused, force applied to lift, that is called effort. So the difference between first class lever, second class lever and third class lever: in first class lever fulcrum is in between, second class lever load is in between, and third class lever effort is in between, force is in between. On that basis lever are classified into first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. You can see in the diagram also some of the example is there. First, load, that means a man is playing seesaw and he is pulling the load of 100 kg, I mean that what happens? Fulcrum is in between. Next figure there is sometimes we use wheelbarrow to transfer the load from one place to another. Generally it is used in the construction. So in that what happens? Load is kept in between. Now in the wheel there is the fulcrum, from there it can move up and down. We can keep on the ground, we can lift that. But bricks, sand, anything we keep in this. So that is, there is the load and we apply force in the handle. So in this example you can see load is in between. Next, in the third class lever, that is shovel, belsa. But force we apply in middle, we give effort in middle. Okay, and load, that means the things which we are pulling, that is at one end, and our one hand acts as a fulcrum. In the same way in our body also, in our body during movement or while lifting, our bones, okay, the joint between the bones, they acts as a fulcrum. Okay, they acts as a fulcrum. And sometimes they different parts, they act as first class lever, second class lever, third class lever. And muscles, okay, they apply muscular force. So about the types of lever, okay, about the types of lever, there are 3 types of lever, that is first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. By simple word also you can identify, that is F L E, flea. In first class lever fulcrum, that is in middle. Second class lever load is middle, and in third class lever a foot is in middle. So in this way you can memorize the difference between first class, second class and third class. Next, I have also given the definition for you. First class lever, lever which has fulcrum between load and effort. Now load and effort, that may be in either side, that may be in any side, but fulcrum should be in between. Second class lever, lever which has load in between fulcrum and effort. Third class lever, lever which has effort between fulcrum and the load. On that basis we can classify first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. Next we will discuss about the pulley. What is pulley? Pulley is a circular disc having grooves on its surface. So simply circular discs, anything which are circular, go low. And having grooves, grooves means khans, you can see there grooves is there in which rope can be applied. Okay, so pulley is a circular disc which have grooves in its surface. That is called pulley. So there are different kinds of pulley. Okay, types of pulley. Pulley are classified into three types: fixed pulley, movable pulley and system of pulley. They are also called combined pulley or block and tackle. Fixed pulley, that means the pulley in which the circular disc that is fixed at a point, it cannot move with the load. Fixed pulley. Movable pulley, the pulley moves with the load. As the load moves, the pulley also moves up and down. And system of pulley or combined pulley, that means combination of more than 2 pulley, 3 pulley, that means combination of pulley. They are called combined pulley or block and tackle, system of pulleys. Hope you understood the types of pulley. That means the pulley which is fixed at a point, they cannot move, fixed pulley. The pulley which can move, movable pulley, and combination of different pulley, that is called system of pulley or block and tackle. So I have defined for you: fixed pulley, the pulley which is fixed at a point; movable pulley, the pulley which moves with the load; and combined pulley, the pulley system made by many pulley, combining different kinds of pulley. So I think we have seen the mixer during the construction work. What happens in that also? There is combination of pulley. You can see a box which goes up and down with the concrete, cement. And at the top also there is use of pulley. Now this pulley is fixed at its point, that is fixed pulley. But the pulley in this box that moves up and down with the load, that is called movable pulley. And overall that is called block and tackle or combined pulley. Okay, so these are different types of pulley and they are used. If you find simple machine, they are used at most of the place, everywhere. But only you should understand the concept, you should pay attention towards that. So I hope you are understanding the topics, that is lever and pulley. Third, we will discuss on wheel and axle. Wheel and axle. What is wheel and axle? Wheel and axle are the combination of two circular discs. Like in the pulley there is single circular disc, but in wheel and axle there is two circular discs. One is bigger and another is smaller. Okay, it has bigger radius, that means it is bigger in size. It is bigger in size, but next is smaller in size. But both are attached with each other. Both are attached with each other. When one rotates, next also rotates itself. Why? Because both are attached with each other. So wheel and axle are the simple machine. Wheel and axle are the simple machine, okay, which are combination of two circular discs. One is bigger and another is smaller. Both are attached with each other. When one rotates, next also rotates itself. Many examples of wheel and axle you can see, like in the steering of car. Bigger one, that is the wheel, and with this smaller one is attached there. In the cycle, bigger one, that is wheel, and smaller one, that is the axle. Okay, in the doorknob, bigger one which we pull, which we pull, that is a bigger one, that is wheel, and attach a smaller one, that is axle. So wheel and axle, they are combination of two circular discs. One is bigger and another is smaller, and both are attached. When one rotates, okay, when we rotate one, next also rotate itself. So that is the simple machine, that is wheel and axle. Hope students you understood today classes. Okay, so only this much for today. I'll come tomorrow with the next video with some more topic. So there is some of the work for you. So I'll read once, that will be easier for understanding. Define lever, pulley and wheel and axle. What are the types of pulley? Define each with the diagram. What are the types of lever? Define each with the diagram. That means the types of pulley: fixed pulley, movable pulley and combined pulley. Types of the lever: first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. And also you should draw the diagram and labeling every parts, what is the load, effort and fulcrum. So students, we'll meet tomorrow with the next video and we'll continue the topic. I hope you are doing the exercise. Till then, okay, goodbye.